Hi, I'm going to show you some vegetarian military meals, MREs. I used to eat these when we ate at a Navy base when I was in the Peace Corps. All vegetarian, and some are vegan. So there's an old joke. Bad hunters were vegetarians. So you're saying people in the military were bad hunters? Some just want to eat healthy and ethically. Look up a factory farm video. And all the athletes were vegan today. So military meals ready to eat from the Department of Defense. Thank you. And look up a factory farm video and veganbodybuilding.com. Thank you.